All right, guys, we need to reimagine the bubble. We need a big idea here.
Giant bubbles, humongous ones.
Didn't we already do that?
Tiny bubbles.
You're fired.
Bubble, bubbly, buble, celebrity endorsement?
Bubbles that don't pop.
So, balls.
Maybe bubbles are already perfect. I mean, if it ain't broke.
Yeah, what is the point of this? Point.
What did you say?
If we don't have an interesting angle, what's the point?
Say that one more time.
Bubbles with angles?
That might not be a true story, but this is BuildABubble and it's awesome. Assemble your own geometric structure using the rods and connectors. Dunk your design into the bubble solution and show off the angles. The real magic happens when you inflate a new bubble on the inside, creating mesmerizing, multi-dimensional formations, all while developing a stronger brain. Learn geometric terms like vertex and frustum from the booklet, which also happens to be bubble-proof. The point is, buy BuildABubble now.